Here's how to install ink cartridges for the Canon Pixma TS3750i. The first thing you need to do is take the ink out of the packet, so simply remove this plastic and turn it upside down to let the ink cartridge come out. You'll see there's an orange strip on the cartridge. Remove it, but ensure not to touch the print head with your finger as it can affect the print quality. Once you've done that, put it down with the printer head facing up, and we're going to do the same with the other ink cartridge. Take the plastic off, let it come out, and take the orange strip off and place it down facing you. So we're now ready to insert them into the printer. Make sure your printer is turned on and come to the front, and you'll see this door. You want to press down on this latch to open the door and let it fall down like this. You'll see both slots where the cartridges go. On the left we have the color, so you simply want to press down on this blue latch and do the same for the other one. Don't be afraid to break it, as it does take quite a bit of force. So we're going to take the color one first, put it on the left, and I like to pinch it with my thumb and index finger, and we're simply going to glide it into the slot and push it in like this. Next, to secure it, we're going to push this blue latch up again, and then we'll do the same with the black. Take your thumb and index finger and simply glide it into the slot, and you'll know when it's in place. Once again, simply flip up this blue latch. Don't be afraid to use quite a bit of pressure. You won't break it. Simply lift the lid up and we are done.